Okay, so now let's go into the materials page. This is very boring, actually. It lists a few things, none of which that, generally speaking, most of my students ever use. Prerequisites are what prerequisites my courses that I teach require, Math 105, 243, 244. I have to add a few to that now that I teach some different courses. Optional free textbook. We mentioned this before for 105. For all my courses, there are no textbooks to be purchased. If you would like a textbook, there's links to them right here. You got Math NU and Collaborative Statistics, both of which are either outside web pages or links that I've saved for your reference. And then down here, technology. This is just a simple. It's more information than you need, but it's mostly for me. If you look at this, it explains why we don't use anything except Excel in class for technology. Oh, that's not true. We use Google and we use other online resources. But as far as third-party programs or hardware, you don't have to purchase anything new. This is just simply a list of updates I've done to my spreadsheet. Notice it's been about a year since I updated anything major because it's getting pretty close to where it needs to look. And then down here is this is the only one that might might apply to my students. It's a disclaimer about Macintoshes. Okay. I don't have a Macintosh except for a very old G4, which doesn't look anything like new Macintoshes look. I don't really understand them all that well. My spreadsheets might or might not work on them. So I guess what I'm saying here is don't wait till the last minute to do something with technology if you're using a Macintosh, because if something goes wrong, I might not have time to help you fix it. I love learning new stuff, and I love to learn how to make a Macintosh work better with my spreadsheets, but I can't do it at 10 p.m. the night before something's due. So if you have a Macintosh, just be aware, hopefully you know how to use it better than I do, because if something goes wrong, you're either on your own or you're on your own with Google. That's what disclaimer says right here. Alrighty, so that's all for this page. We will now check out the assessment page.